Welcome to CAAN Fence. Discover the vinyl fence trends for 2024. In 2024, vinyl fences are more popular than ever, combining durability, low maintenance, and aesthetic appeal. This year's trends are all about blending functionality with style. Trend 1: Bold and unique colors. Bold and unique colors are making a statement. Move over classic white. 2024 is bringing in vibrant colors like deep blues, forest greens, and even charcoal grays. These options offer a modern twist while still providing the timeless look vinyl fences are known for. Trend 2: Textured finish. Textured finishes are another big trend this year. These fences mimic the look of natural wood or stone, giving your property a high-end feel without the maintenance. It's all about adding depth and character to your fence. Trend 3: Mixed material designs. Mixing materials is where creativity shines. Picture vinyl combined with metal accents or wooden posts. This trend offers endless possibilities for customizing your fence, making it stand out while remaining durable and easy to care for. Trend 4: Sustainable choices. Sustainability is more than just a buzzword in 2024. Homeowners are opting for eco-friendly vinyl options made from recycled materials. These fences not only look good but also contribute to a greener planet. Trend 5: Privacy and security features. Finally, privacy and security are top priorities. Fences with taller panels, integrated privacy screens, and security features like lock gates are in high demand. Homeowners want peace of mind, and these designs offer just that. Vinyl fences are stepping up their game in 2024, offering more variety and innovation than ever before. Which trend will you choose for your next fence project? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more fencing inspiration. Make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.